डायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट में कोई ऐसा रेवेन्यू गिरता हुआ नहीं देखा है। लेकिन हमें लग रहा है कि इसका अगर ओवरऑल जो यूएस में व्हीकल का सेल है, अगर उसका ग्रोथ कम होगा तो एक इनडायरेक्ट इम्पैक्ट सभी के ऊपर आ सकता है। तो उसका
हाँ ले चलो, हाँ ले जा, हाँ ले जा। હું અહીંયા જ છું બેટા।
Unfortunately, me email later got email password.
चलो ठीक है, ठीक है। हाँ बदल देख लूंगा, देख लूंगा। नहीं वो बदल जाएंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। जी
चेंज कर दो।
मैं आपको आधे घंटे में करूँ सर, एक वो जूम मीटिंग है, मैं करता हूँ आधे। हाँ, ठीक 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 ठीक।
Good morning, everyone. So we'll now start this orientation session. First of all, it gives me an immense pleasure to welcome you all to the AICA Level 1 orientation session for the newly batches in February. We would like to place on record our sincere appreciation and gratitude to CA Charanjot Singh Nanda, President Sir, CA Prasanna Kumar D, Vice President Sir, CA Umesh Sharma, Chairman Sir, and CA Dayanima Sharma, Vice Chairman Sir, for their visionary leadership and steadfast commitment towards integrating emerging tech, AI into the CA profession. Friends, we are joining this program at a defining moment in our profession, not just for the CA profession, but for the global economy. AI is no longer a distant possibility. It is already transforming the way we audit, advise, analyze data, manage risk, and deliver value. Recognize this shift, ICAI has taken a proactive and forward-looking step by launching this AI certification, Level 1 and Level 2, with the objective of empowering CAs with the practical, ethical, and application-oriented AI knowledge. AICA Level 1 is designed as a base to build your strong foundations. It will help you to understand core AI concepts in a simple, non-tech manner, appreciate real-world use cases of AI in accounting, audit, tax, and finance, and other domains, develop awareness of AI ethics, governance, and responsible adoption, prepare you for the evolving expectation of clients, regulators, and industry. This course is not about replacing professional judgment, it's about augmenting it. It's about creating future CAs who can confidently work with AI as a powerful enabler. We from the AI committee of ICAI encourage all participants to actively engage with the sessions, interact with the faculty, and reflect on how these learnings can be applied in your professional journey. On behalf of ICAI and the AI and ICAI, we congratulate you for taking this important step towards upskilling and embracing the future. Before we move further, I would like to introduce our faculty for today who will take this orientation session for all of you. We have CA Prabhav Kumar Agarwala ji, who is a distinguished faculty for our AICA Level 1 as well as Level 2. He is a passionate and forward-thinking CA dedicated to harnessing tech, especially AI and automation, to elevate accounting, auditing, and education. He is a fellow member of ICAI. He has a diploma in IFRS. He is AICA Level 2 and Level 1 completed. He is a qualified CS and DISA. He is a guest faculty in various reputed organizations. He is an AI mentor and educator. He is our AI Hackathon Season 2 winner, rank 1. He's a national level achiever, awards and national conventions for C students in Trivandrum, Indore, and Raipur. He's certified in Python and his expertise in RPA, digital transformation, and cybersecurity. He will also be participating in our AI Hackathon Champion of Champions, which is going to be organized for the level all seasons 1, 2, 3, 4 winners in the just coming World Forum of Accountants 2.0. He has proficiencies in AI, Python, RPA, cybersecurity, and financial analysis, auditing, taxation, and IS. Now, without much further ado, I would like to hand over controls to CA Prabhav Kumar Agarwala ji. Take the session forward. Over to you, Prabhav, sir.
Yeah, very, very good morning. I hope I am audible and I will share my screen. So please let me know if I am audible and my screen is now visible.
Yes, audible and visible.
Great, great, great. So a very, very, very good morning to all of you. I see a list of about 338 participants, which is now increasing with time. And I'm so delighted to have you here in this Tuesday morning after a nice long weekend. All excited to learn, to start a new journey of learning. And therefore, you have all joined the AICA Level 1 course. Right. So I'll just begin with the AICA Level 1 course curriculum, what all has to be done. So this is an orientation course, and we will be guiding you today what all things you have to follow before the starting of the batch, during the batch, as well as after the completion of the AICA Level 1 curriculum. So without taking much of time, let's start with the orientation session. The first, what is the course objective of AICA Level 1? Well, let me tell you, friends, AI will change the dynamics of the market in a couple of years coming forward. And every person who is working in the mainstream economy has in some way or the other used artificial intelligence, maybe to write emails or to send messages or to perhaps search some things, right? And I'm also sure quite a lot of you would also have used Chat GPT and other AI tools for basic tasks. Let me tell you, friends, what is one thing that is going to distinguish you from all the other people or all the other professionals who are going to use, who are rather using this technology of artificial intelligence. Once you complete this artificial intelligence course, AICA Level 1, you will not only gain understanding of the AI concepts, a very in-depth analysis of all these AI tools, how to use these AI tools, but you will also be aware of using AI ethically. We have one module in which we in detail we explain how to use these AI tools ethically. How you can, there's a big problem of AI hallucination. AI hallucinates. So how you can solve this problem of AI hallucination, right? You will be learning about data privacy laws in India that is going to change the way in which we are going to use AI, right? I will request you all to kindly keep your mics on mute. And when, at the end, when we have the question answer session, only then I will allow you to speak and then we can have a discussion. So first, let's say 40-45 minutes, I'm going to cover all the things which are required in this orientation session. And perhaps then we can have the Q&A session. So I will request all of you to please, note down your queries, whatever queries you are having once we complete the session, because a lot of times all your queries, it is seen that all your queries are resolved because we have covered all the FAQs and everything in this orientation. So please hold your queries. Once I finish with this session, we will take your queries. And in the meanwhile, I will request you all to kindly mute yourself, and so that we do not have any background noise. Correct? Coming back. So I was telling you, once you complete this course curriculum, you will have not only an idea about all these AI tools, a 360-degree overview of all these AI tools, but you will also understand about how to maintain data privacy while using the AI, how privacy laws are going to impact us going forward, how to do away with hallucinations, and all these important concepts. So once you finish this, course curriculum, you will be a completely equipped AI professional, and you will distinguish yourself from other professional in terms that you will be using AI more ethically, in a much more concern, taking care of the privacy and everything. And this is what is going to be a game changer for you, right? Ma'am, sir, the AI committee of ICAI has been constantly revising the course curriculum, because AI is one thing which has been changing dynamically. Whenever I sleep and the next morning I wake up, the first fear that strikes me is, so much of things. While I was asleep for 7 hours, so much of things would have changed in the field of AI, right? So AI is changing things dynamically, and so is the AI committee of ICAI. So now they have released for the coming month, that is for the February month, they will be releasing version 11 of this AICA Level 1 course curriculum. Let me tell you, ma'am, sir, I was one of the few participants who had done this course at the early stage. So I had completed my version 2. And now we have had version 11. And let me tell you, ma'am, sir, AI has changed things drastically. And with version 11 coming up, you have all the new tools, technologies coming up, all the changes. We'll be talking about that going forward in the orientation. Right. So first thing, I covered what is the course objective. It is to equip you, because going forward, it is the person who have an edge over AI who will be ruling this entire industry. So this course is focusing on how you develop that particular edge. And this is the version 11 of the AICA Level 1 course curriculum. And let me tell you, friends, this has been one of the globally recognized course curriculum of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. And recently, even CAG has proposed it to add it to their points curriculum for assigning the empanelment audits as well, right? So this is the importance of this course. And going forward, immediately when you complete this orientation session, please, first prerequisite is you please kindly log into your DLH portal and check whether the same is activated or not, right? So you can do that. And if your batches are, let's say, towards the end of the month, so you just wait for about 2 to 3 days before the starting of your batch. Let's say if your batch is on 15th of February, so perhaps just if you're, in case your DLH portal is not activated, please wait, let's say maybe till 12th of February. And on 12th of February also, if your batch, if the DLH portal is not activated, perhaps then you can send a mail to the AI committee. I will share the email address shortly. I'm sharing the link of the DLH portal. Please log in and check that. If it is activated, well and good. You can try it now. After the orientation session, please try it once. If it is activated, well and good. If not, please check it, let's say 4 to 5 days before your batch. And if it is not activated, kindly send a mail to the AI committee. I will share the email address shortly. So once you log in into this SSP portal, so you have to sign in using your ID password. So I think I have logged in with some other thing. So I'll just log in into my SSP portal, or I can perhaps log in directly with the ICAI DLH portal. So I have both the options. So I can either log in through my DLH hub, or I can log in through my SSP portal, and I can enter my ID password, and this will take me to the DLH portal here, and I can simply you can see this is the batch that will be activated, assessment AICA L2 batch. This is for the L2. So similarly, you would have for L1 batch as well. So you can see certificate course on artificial intelligence, AICA batch number, whatever batch you have registered, this will be activated. So you can see whether the same is been activated or not, right? If it is activated, well and good. If not, please wait. Just check the same just 4 to 5 days before the commencement of your batch. And if the same is not activated by then as well, then you can perhaps send a mail to the AI committee. I will share the mail address. I'll share the email ID in the chat panel as well, and you can note it down for your reference as well. The email ID of AI committee is ai@icai.in. So if you have any concerns, you can send them a mail, ai@icai.in. I will share it in this chat panel also, right? So first thing first, you have to check whether your DLH portal is activated, whether you have course showing there as AICA Level 1 course, which is being shown there or not. If not, just wait 3 to 4 days before your commencement of the batch. Please check once. If it is still not activated, please send a mail to ai@icai.in. I've shared the email address in the chat box as well. This is number one prerequisite. All your tests and all will be hosted here in the DLH portal itself. Next, laptop and IT infrastructure requirements. See, it is recommended to have a Windows laptop with Windows 11, 8 GB of RAM and a i3 processor. These are the minimum requirements, right? If you have a Windows 10 laptop also, still it will work, but you may face issues in running some of the application, because some of these applications might require a fast processing device. So in that case, you might face some issues in your earlier PCs also, but it will perfectly work for most of the exercises that you are going to do during the session. If you are bringing a corporate laptop, please ensure that your firewall allows connection to Wi-Fi networks as well as external websites, because we will be covering a lot of AI tools. So make sure that your laptop allows an access to all those websites. If not, then please bring a personal laptop. Okay. Third important requirement with respect to laptop is kindly do not bring MacBook devices, right? Because a lot of the exercises that we do, a lot of the tools that we run might not run on the Mac OS. Okay. And secondly, the procedure to run a particular tool or do a particular exercise is maybe different in a Windows PC and a Mac PC. So generally what happens is, as a faculty, we do not have so much of time that we cover individually for both the operating systems. So we do it for the Windows system only, right? So that is where, in some of the cases you might land up in trouble, or you might not be able to do some exercises end to end. So that is the reason why we recommend that please, if possible, try to get an alternate device and not a Mac. And if at all there is no other possibility, only then you can get Mac devices. The only disadvantage will be in some of the exercise you might face difficulties. Okay, next point. This is a 3-day course curriculum, and you have to fulfill 3 requirements in order to get your certification. The first requirement is you have to attend all 3 days. So you have to mark your attendance on all 3 days. This is the first requirement. The second requirement is you have to give an online assessment test at the end of each day, right? So there will be an online assessment test. Sir, where will this test be hosted? It will be hosted on the DLH portal, which we covered in the first slide, right? So in the DLH portal only that test will be hosted. Sir, what will be the timing for the test? Please note, the scheduled time of your AICA Level 1 curriculum is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. And of course, these timings may change depending upon the branch, changes made by the branch or as per the faculty directions. But the standard recommended timing is 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So as soon as your batch will end, that is at 5 p.m., your test will be automatically activated in the DLH portal, right? So AI committee in itself has also been very advanced in using the technology, right? So automatically for that particular day at 5 p.m., the test will be automatically activated in the DLH portal. You just need to log in and give that assessment test. Please note that the timing for that test is from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. So it is already written here in this manual. It is from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. But my sincere suggestion would be that please do not wait till 10 p.m. to give the test. The reason being, see, what we suggest is that 5 p.m. your batch gets over. So hardly it will take 10 to 15 minutes extra to log in into DLH portal and give your online assessment test. If we try to procrastinate the same, we try to postpone the same, thinking, okay, we'll go and give it at our home. Many times it has been observed that members tend to forget to give their test. And once they forget to give that test, then there is another procedure to again appear for a retest and this and that. So we will be discussing about that as well. I believe personally nobody likes to take extra trouble in their life. We already have plenty of problems in our life. We do not want some extra problem. Correct? So therefore, I always recommend that immediately your session gets over. Suppose 5 p.m. your session gets over, 10 minutes it will take. Please finish your test and only then proceed for your home. Correct? This is the second requirement, that you have to give test on all the 3 days and it will be hosted on the DLH portal. The third requirement is, at the end of the third day, you have to prepare and present a group project. Okay. Now, your groups will be given to you on the very first day. When you come for your session, you will sign an attendance sheet. If you do not get an attendance sheet, please ask your respective branch coordinator. They will provide you with the attendance sheet. So you have to sign that attendance sheet. And when you sign that attendance sheet, please check on the second last column, you will be having a G1, G2, G3 code number given. So that denotes your group number. So suppose besides your name, you see group 6, G6 written. That means you are a part of group 6. And batches are arranged, the groups are arranged in the alphabetical order of the first names, right? So you will have all the group 6 people, the members, just one row or two rows above or below your particular group. So you can check your group members. You can, have a discussion with them, perhaps maybe sit together during the sessions as well, and you can then prepare your group project. What will be the topic of group project? You can take up any problem that you face in your day-to-day life. And when I say any problem faced in day-to-day life, I only mean professional problems, right? So you can take up any professional problem which you face in your day-to-day life and solve it using the AI tools. So whatever you have learned in these 3 days, you can solve using that particular tool. You can create a solution of the problems that you are facing. The ultimate objective is, when you go out of the curriculum, when you go out finishing this 3-day course, you feel confident that, okay, I am able to apply the concept of artificial intelligence to solve my day-to-day professional problems, right? So ideally, we suggest that you prepare your group project after the completion of day 2 curriculum, because for when you do the first day and second day course curriculum, you have a lot of tools and a lot of concepts that you have become aware of, right? So we generally suggest, and day 3 we have kept ethics, privacy, and all those tools. So majority of the tools that has to be covered, we will be covering the same in day 1 and day 2 also. Day 3 is all about ethics, privacy, and all. Of course, there will be few extra tools in day 3 as well, but it is always suggested that you prepare your group project after your day 2 session, so that you have a clear idea of a lot of the AI tools, or before the starting of the day 3 session, so that you do not miss out on the particular day 3 content as well, right? So the aim is you do the full day course curriculum as well, and you are able to apply the AI concept. For that, you prepare a group project as well. So the respective faculty which will be coming on day 1 or day 2, you can ask them, and they will also guide you regarding the group project. Correct? So group project you have to prepare. Group will be allocated to you. It will be there in your attendance sheet. Problem, you can take any problem which you face in your day-to-day life, and based on your learnings of the course curriculum, you have to prepare a solution for the same. You can ask your day 1 faculty or day 2 faculty to give you more guidance on the project as and when you come into the course curriculum as well. Correct? So these were the 3 requirements to get the certificate. Number 1 is attending all the 3 days. Number 2 is giving test on all the 3 days. And number 3, giving the group project. Correct? Once we discuss these 3 requirements, there are a lot of questions which are coming up. The first question which comes up is, sir, what if we are not able to do all the 3-day course? Suppose I have registered for the course, but I am not able to attend all the 3 days. Then what? Please note, if you are not able to attend all the 3 days, or you have not attended any of the 3 days, you will be granted an automatic refund in your source account from which you have made the payment. I'll repeat, if you have not attended any of the 3 days, you will be automatically granted a refund in your source account. You do not need to send any email, do not need to call anyone. And as I have already mentioned, AI committee is very well advanced, and they have implemented technologies in their committee to a large extent. So you do not need to call anyone, do not need to send an email. Everything is automated. You will be automatically granted the refund. Correct? Just a second. Yeah. So this is the first query. Now, the second query is, sir, what if I attend a particular day? Say I attend day 1 and day 2, but I am not able to attend day 3. Then what? Or say I have attended day 1 and day 3, but I have not attended day 2. Then in that case, you have to figure out wherever it is convenient for you. You can attend the day 2 in another batch, maybe in the same city or maybe in a nearby city or anywhere in India, and you can get permission from the AI committee. You just have to send them an email citing a permission that okay, I missed my day 2 and I want to take day 2 from so and so batch which is held in this so and so city, and I want to do my day 2 from that particular batch. And if there is availability in seats, the AI committee will allow you the permission and you can do that respective day from that particular batch from which you have sought the permission. This is the second question which comes up. If you have not attended all the 3 days, automatic refund will be granted. You can again re-register for the next batch. If you have not attended any particular day, then in that case, take permission from the AI committee in the next, wherever it is convenient for you in next possible batch, just take the permission. You can do the remaining day and you will get the certification. Supposingly, sir, the second requirement, if we miss out on our test, suppose the time is from 5 p.m. and 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. because of some emergency, I missed to give that particular test. Then what? You will be added to a special batch. I will just show that slide as well. So this was this. So if you have missed the test, then you will be automatically added to a special AI batch, which will be held on the 4th of the next month, 4th to 10th of the next month, right? That means if you are doing the AICA L1 curriculum on February and you miss out any test in the month of February, so you will be added on the special batch which will be created on 4th to 10th of March. So there you will be allotted a particular slot. You will receive an email and you have to then log into the DLH portal in that particular slot and give your test. Okay, as I said, we all have a lot of problems in our life to deal with. Please do not invite additional problems. As soon as you finish the batch, it will take 5 to 10 minutes extra. Please give the test and then only proceed to your homes. Correct? Next. A third question, sir, if we miss out the group project, that this was the third requirement. First requirement, I said, if you do not attend, if all the 3 days you do not attend, you will be given a refund. If you miss out on a particular day, you can take permission from AI committee and they will give you the permission, and then you can attend in the next, wherever it is convenient for you. In that particular batch, you can attend the days missed and you will be granted a certificate. If you miss out on online test, you will be added to a special batch for which the details will be emailed. And if I miss out the group project, then what? Then again you have to mail to AI committee giving your preference that, sir, ma'am, that I want to attend so and so batch number on so and so date. So kindly allow me. So they will add you to existing groups in that particular batch, and there you have to present your group project, right? So even if you miss out on group project, that the procedure is same as you do for the if you miss out any particular day, the same process you have to follow. You have to send an email asking for that in this batch I want to submit my group project, and then AI committee will add you to a particular group over there if there is availability, and then you have to come there and you have to give the group project. Okay. Wi-Fi arrangements have been made. The branches have been asked to make the adequate arrangements for Wi-Fi as well. But please note, what happens is sometimes 50 devices, when they try to log into a particular website, there is a DOS attack, which is a frequently common phenomena observed. That means the website only disallows you to enter, because you are entering with one single particular IP address. So that particular website does not allow you to enter. So in that cases, because of this DOS problem, we always suggest that kindly bring your own personal hotspot. Also, if you have a Wi-Fi dongle or a personal internet device also, it is recommended to get the same, so that in case you face a DOS problem or there is some internet issues, you have a adequate backup, and it ensures that you do not face any issue while you are doing a hands-on during the session. Correct? Yes. Next. Pre-login requirements. We always insist you to create 2 to 3 spare email IDs, right? So suppose my normal ID is prabhavagarwala@gmail.com. Let us say my normal email ID is prabhavagarwala@gmail.com. So for when I come to the AICA L1 course curriculum, it is always recommended that I create 2 or 3 other IDs. Let's say I can create AI learning for Prabhav1@gmail.com, AI learning for Prabhav2@gmail.com, AI learning for Prabhav3 for number 3@gmail.com. So 2 to 3 spare IDs are always recommended. Why? Because all the AI tools that we will be using during the session, so when you log in with the same, they are having some daily limits. Say for example, let's say ChatGPT allows you, suppose for example, I'm saying 3 prompts in a particular day. That means 3 times you can come, attach documents and press enter, and it will give you reply. So what happens is, for a particular email ID, my daily limit can get exhausted. So if my daily limit gets exhausted, I might need to immediately switch to another ID so that during the session, my hands-on activity do not get interrupted. That is why we insist that you get 2 to 3 spare email IDs so that you can use them easily in the different AI tools, and you do not need to face the issues of exhaustion of the limits. Secondly, it is also secured because you might, if you use your regular ID, you might accidentally share some data with the AI tools, which of course none of us want to do. So if you have 2, 3 spare email IDs, so there is no fear of accidentally sharing some data through my email or any other thing to these AI tools, because they ask you for access of the Google information or Gmail information. So therefore, it is always recommended, right, to have 2 to 3 spare email IDs. And then once you create these 2, 3 spare email IDs, please log into these following tools: ChatGPT, Claude, Grok, Perplexity, and Gemini. These are all the LLMs, most popularly used LLMs. Of course, we will be covering way more tools in the 3-day course curriculum, but before coming, it is recommended that you at least log into these 5 basic tools so that you have a fair bit of an idea that how to actually log in and all that. So that we save some time during the session, right? You can take a screenshot of the same, right? And create 2 to 3 spare email ID and log into these 5 LLMs before coming to the sessions. Right. Next. This is the list of tools covered. Of course, we'll be coming to this, now. Yeah. Just a second. Yes. Okay. See, what the AI committee has done in version 11 is, in order to standardize everything, we have specified the list of tools to be covered in all the 3 days, particular day 1, day 2, and day 3. The practical tools to be covered as well as the theory concepts to be covered. And please note, you will be given a feedback form, right? You will be given a feedback form in which all these tools will be mentioned. These tools will also be there in the manual, which will be given to you. We will talk about that also in the manual, where you can get this manual. So when you get that feedback form, the feedback form link will be shared in the WhatsApp group. So please, importantly, make sure that once you have enrolled into your batch, you are joined into the WhatsApp group. So every member who has enrolled into a particular AICA L1 batch, they will be added to that particular L1 WhatsApp group, wherein all the further updates will be shared with you during as and when the updates come in, they will be shared with you. So after every day, you will be given a feedback form, and that feedback form will have the list of tools covered. So I will just going to show you that as well. So you will have the list of tools covered. So this is your feedback form, which the link will be shared to you after the batch gets over. Correct. So you just give your details, and here you will see day wise you will have the tools. These are the practical tools and these are the theoretical concepts. You have to mark all those tools which have not been covered in that particular day, or all those theory which have not been covered in that particular day. Correct. And please fill this form judiciously. Why? Because I'll tell you that the committee plans the AICA L1 refresher course. I will be coming to that as well. So this feedback that you give helps us in planning the feedback courses. So suppose any topic is missed out in a particular batch. So in the coming refresher courses, the committee can plan for that particular topic in the refresher course, right? So this is the next important thing. Please fill your feedback form judiciously, and if any tool or concept is not covered, please mark it in that particular form so that the committee can plan for the refresher sessions going forward. Next, there are some LLMs which are offering free plans for Indian segment. For example, Gemini, which is the Google's LLM, Geo has tied up with Gemini, and they are offering 18-month free plan. If you are a existing Geo user, you can get that. So you can log into that particular website or log into that mobile app, My Geo app, and you can activate that Gmail plan. Again, it is always recommended that you activate these plans only in the new ID which we had asked you to create. As I mentioned, for the learning purpose, please create 2 to 3 spare email ID. In that particular email ID only, please activate these subscriptions. Reason I told you, so that accidentally we do not share any information with these tools. So if I create altogether a new ID, there is no particular document, no particular data that I'm scared about, right? So therefore, I again request you to please create 2 or 3 spare IDs, and you can activate these subscription in that spare email ID. Okay. Chat GPT and Perplexity also has announced free plans for Indian customers. Perplexity has tied up with Airtel. So if you have Airtel, or if any member of your family has Airtel or Jio, you can activate Perplexity Pro also. You can activate Gemini. And Chat GPT is giving their Go plan for free for 1 year. So they are giving now till November 2026. They are giving the access free for the Chat GPT Go plan. So you can activate the subscription in the new ID that you have created, right? So that in the session when you come, you do not face any issue. See, all these tools, when you take their paid versions, you get a lot of advanced features, access to advanced features, plus a better functionality as compared to a free version. So therefore, of course, if you do not activate, of course, you can do hands-on also, no problems in that. Correct. But if you activate it, you will be able to see, because as I told you, the paid plans work in a better way. Correct. Because they are giving access to advanced models, advanced tokens. So because of that, they tend to work in a better way. So if you activate it, of course, you will have a much better experience during your sessions. And of course, they are free to activate: Chat GPT, Perplexity Pro, and Gemini. Correct. Now, this is your checklist. I will wait here for 2 minutes and I will request you to take a Yes. I hope you have taken a screenshot of the same. So after the orientation, check your DLH portal. If it is not activated, excuse me, excuse me. So if it is not activated, kindly wait. Just check again 4 to 5 days before the actual commencement day of your batch. If it is still not activated, then you can send an email to ai@ici.in. Before the batch, please plan your day. Create 2 to 3 email IDs, preferably in Gmail. You can log into different LLM tool, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, and Grok, and activate free subscription at the separate ID wherever it is possible for you. During the batch, please come a little early, set up your Wi-Fi systems, give daily assessment tests, prepare for the group projects, and of course, submit your feedback form. So there will be total 4 feedback forms shared, 3 for the faculty and for the day, and 1 for the course overall. So for each day, you will be given 3 the feedback forms and 1 for the entire course curriculum. So please fill this form judiciously because this helps the committee plan the future course of action as well. Now, once you have completed the AICA level 1 journey, members often ask this particular question that, sir, once we have completed this journey, what next? So let me tell you, ma'am, sir, once you completed this L1 journey, the quest for learning would just begin. AI, as I said, is very, very dynamic. It is rapidly changing. Every day, AI is changing. We have every month we are trying to update our version course curriculum as well. So after the batch, how you can stay updated? So I'll just quickly guide you with that as well. So we have the committee, AI committee's website, ai.ici.org. So I will share the link as well, ai.ici.org. Okay. So you just log into this particular website and you click on this resources. So in this website, you have articles. So you can come here and read daily update on whatever, new is happening on AI. We have the articles regularly updated. So this is VO 3.1 new tool launched, right? AI startup conclave, which is happening. So all these details are all updated here in the articles section. Next, we have a lot of hackathons, wherein the chartered accountants from across the globe are participating and they are demonstrating their use cases on how AI is, how they are using AI in their day-to-day professional life and solving their problems. So all these videos are updated here in this portal. So once you finish this journey, you can explore and you can see how AI is impacting the life of chartered accountants and take inspiration from them. Next, their use cases are also written and shared here in this resources section only. So you can share their resources, take the resources here, and the respective files are also hosted here. So you can check for any particular resource and you can check all the write-ups here in this particular section, in the use case section. Next, we have a prompt library competition going on amongst the member. After you finish this course curriculum, make sure to participate in this because in the very first day of the AICA level 1 curriculum, we spend 1.5 hour of time to discuss about prompting and how you can effectively do a better prompting, right? So you will learn the art of prompting and using that particular art, you can apply to solve or get the solutions in these respective fields. And we request you to please share your prompts here in these respective domains. We have received a lot of prompts from different chartered accountants, and let me tell you, they are all very beneficial. We are all connecting them, and the committee is again planning to share it with other chartered accountants as well, so that mutually the community can learn and grow together. Correct? Next, we have this AI hub. Again, it is going to be one of the game-changing concepts. AI Hub is inspired from GitHub. Like GitHub is a social media for different developers. AI Hub is a social media for different chartered accountants. So here you have lot of tools, projects, again showing how members have use, and these are all Python based, agent based tools they have developed. So you can take in learning from these tools as well. So they have not only posted this tools, but they have also hosted the tools as well and the complete write up. So you can come here and take the advantage of this as well. Next, you have background materials. So whenever any session, seminar is held, so you can find out about the upcoming events of the AI committee here, correct? And once the event is over, whatever materials are there, which the speaker has shared relating to that particular event will be shared here in this particular tab. Next, we have publications. So AI committee is releasing a lot of books on different topics: AI law, impact of AI on Indian economy, privacy, ethics, AI prompt engineering for chartered accountants, AI and the DPDP era. So all these books are coming up. Very, very, very good publications relating to the field of artificial intelligence. Whatever topic interests you, you can go and you can read that particular book, right? So after completion of the AICA Level 1 course, the journey of learning AI begins. It's just the first step and not the end, right? So you can stay updated through the website and the YouTube videos which I've showed. We have hackathons going on currently. Season 4 concluded, and hopefully we'll soon have season 5 coming up. So you can then participate in the season 5 hackathons. Next, as I mentioned during my orientation session, AI is rapidly changing. Every day we have new changes, new tools, new technology, even the models they are upgrading on a regular basis. So if I do the course now, how we can stay updated? See, members usually had two issues. The main concern was, sir, we do it in the month of February 2026. By August 2026, we will be outdated because the technology is changing so fast. By August 2026, every tool, every model, everything that is working will change. How do we stay updated regarding the same? So AI committee received this problem from a lot of members, and based on this feedback received from different members, they took an initiative wherein they said every Saturday 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. I'll repeat, every Saturday at 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. the AI committee is conducting a refresher course, and that started from April 2025 till date. They have not even missed a single Saturday, be it Diwali, Holi, any festival that has come in. We had the AI committee's annual conference as well. Every particular Saturday, whatever the day, whatever the case may be, they have held this particular refresher course. So jokingly, I sometimes say Kapil Sharma might miss an episode in Netflix on a Saturday, but AI committee will never miss the refresher course on Saturday. Every Saturday, 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. The link will be shared in the respective group. Please note, once you complete the course, of course, you will complete the course in February month. You will not even get the access to refresher immediately. So you will perhaps get the refresher access maybe at March end or maybe from April, because of course it will not be that once you finish February you finish and from March itself you will be outdated. No, it's not like that. So perhaps one and a half month later, whenever the committee deems it appropriate, they will start sharing the link of the refresher courses. And please be active in that group. You will get the Zoom link of the refresher course in the respective WhatsApp group. Just join in, register for that, join in. You just need to do one thing: keep 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. spare on every Saturday for your learning purpose. That's it. Members gave us another feedback. Members said, sir, it is not possible maybe on every Saturday that we attend the course 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. We might have some other preoccupations. So they requested us if you could provide us with the recordings of these refresher courses. AI committee agreed to it. All these sessions that have been held till date. Even when you will be enrolled for when you will be given the access to the refresher courses, you will be given an access to all the refresher courses which have been done from April 2025 till
Prabhav sir, some audio issue at your end. Not audible.
Trial.
Prabhavji, it's not audible.
Not audible, sir.
Trial. Trial.
Is it now audible? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, audible.
Yes, audible, sir.
Sorry, sorry. My microphone battery died out. No problem. I'll just repeat this part. So, what was the last part which was audible at your end?
Sir, every Saturday.
The recordings will be made available. That's all.
Recordings will be made available. Great. So, I was saying you that you search for any certification course globally, not only in India, search it globally. I have done a lot of certification course. I have done certification from EY, from Microsoft, IBM, IIT Madras, Google. I have done certification courses from all these organizations, and let me tell you, none of the organization across the globe, after giving you certification, none of the organization across the globe says, boss, we take the responsibility for giving you amendments. None of the organization does that. You can search for the same globally. It's the initiative of the AI committee. They are saying, after you complete the course, we are responsible for doing the amendments. We are responsible for doing the revisions. And that too free of cost, nothing extra. No single penny charged. Right? Please, 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 it's all done for the betterment of the community. Please, please take full advantage of the same. Right? So you can please attend the refresher course after you complete the batch. Stay active on the AI Hub, visit the websites, refer to the books, and then after 2-3 months of regular practice and refresher course and everything, then you can plan for level 2. So now AI committee has launched in the month of August, they had launched the AICA level 2 curriculum. It is ongoing. And once you finish 2-3 months after you have finished this L1 curriculum, you can of course go ahead and plan for level 2. Correct? Now, suppose I am seeing a lot of messages on the chat that, sir, can you share your PPT? We want the PPT because some internet issues, we missed out on a lot of topics that you discussed. So the solution, I'll tell you, please go to the AI committee website. I will share the link. AI committee website, the same place from where you had registered for the course. Right? The recording of this session will be shared. Sir, please don't worry. The recording of this session will be shared. I will come to that as well. So I've shared the link. So whatever I have said, my presentation is already available here in this particular manual. Whatever I have discussed is all there in this particular 20-page manual. Everything is documented well here in this manual. Right? So I have just taken the screenshots and then pasted it in my presentation. So everything there is documented well in this manual. Now, in the era of AI, suppose we feel, who will read this 20-page manual? We don't want to read this 20-page manual. We want a shortcut. We want AI only replies to our query. So then we have the AICA assistant available to answer your query 24/7, 365. 24/7 into 365 days, this bot is there to help you. Again, AI committee has implemented this in their systems. And now you can ask it any question. Can you show me the module structure? So day wise, you will get the module. Right? One most common query, I cannot attend on all 3 days. What is the procedure for refund? If I cannot attend the batch for all 3 days, what is the procedure for refund? Press enter and you will see if you are unable to attend all 3 days, the refund, full refund is applicable. No separate application is required. See, even my AI is saying everything is automated. You need not do anything. You will automatically be granted refund into your source account, right? You cannot transfer it again. You have to freshly register for this course if you want to do this again, right? So if you have any query, you can come to this website. AI based assistance you will be given. You can ask all your questions here and it will give you the answers. Whatever I have spoken, my PPT, everything is there in this manual. And this third tab, as I told you, you have to do a group presentation on day 3. So whatever group presentation, you have to follow this template. So you can download it from here. This is the template in which you have to do the presentation, right? So this is the third tab here. Now, I think from my end, I have covered all the points. I have covered all the points from my end. This is it. Now I am open for queries. You can send your queries either in the chat box or you can raise your hand one by one. I will unmute you and ask you to ask your query. So you can simply raise your hands one by one. We will ask you to. Already seen this. Great. Will Windows 10 laptop work? Yes, Sandeep sir. Yes, Sandeep sir, it will work. The only thing is, as I said you, that in some cases you might face some tool-based issues. In that case, on 1 or 2 exercises, there might be some little issues that you might face. Otherwise, it is perfect. You can use Windows 10 laptop. Sanjay sir, can you go through again for the DLH activation, please? Sanjay sir, DLH, I have shared the 2 link. I will share it again in the chat box. At the end, I will share again. So I will explain that again, sir. Please wait for 5-10 minutes. We'll take a few queries and then explain you the DLH part again. The group presentation is supposed to be a use case only or an actual one. It cannot be a theoretical part, sir. It has to be an actual case, factually faced problem that you are actually facing in your offices, and then you try to solve it using AI. So that is why then we have a group. You have 4 members in your group, so that you can brainstorm ideas and you can find out solutions for the same. Group project is only on the last day. Yes, ma'am. It is only for the last day of the batch, not on all the 3 days. Amrit sir, I had issue joining the WhatsApp group at the time of registration. Request to add me. Okay. I hope if I think anyone from the committee can answer this. Rishi sir, if you are listening to Amrit sir. If not Amrit sir, you can send a mail to ai@ici.in.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rishi sir, Amrit sir is facing some issue joining the WhatsApp group.
Sir, those who have not joined the WhatsApp group or not have received the link is uploaded while you are registering. No issue. You can send us a mail at ai@ici.in with your name and your batch number. We will surely add you in the link. And in the WhatsApp group, sorry.
So, Amrit sir, kindly send an email to ai@ici.in. Any basic knowledge about AI is expected from participant? No, ma'am. Goiman, nothing. Just log in into the 4 or 5 tools as I had mentioned. Please log in into the same. Okay. Is this good for CAs who are senior citizens? Absolutely, sir. We have had members doing it from the age of 21 to 71. I have seen personally attending the course curriculum. Anybody who is enthusiastic about technology, course is well versed for them. Sir, what if we do not have any dongle or hotspot? Sir, I believe you will carry your mobile phones. So if your mobile phones is there, you will have a hotspot in the mobile itself. No worries to carry a separate dongle or a hotspot as such. Please share it in the WhatsApp group. Vijay sir, what do you want me to share in the WhatsApp group? Please specify. John sir is saying I'm 64 years old. Will I be able to do the course? I thought I would learn few basic tools, but the course curriculum is exhausting. I'm not sure whether I can complete. Okay. John sir, I think members, as I said, have been participating from 21 to 71 members have been participating in this course curriculum. Just a little bit of enthusiasm from your end and perhaps you would be very good to go. You will be in a good to go position. You will be definitely able to do it. Pratima ma'am, thank you so much for the session. Thank you, ma'am. Nirav sir is saying in some email ID there is option to create different alias. So can we create one email ID with 3-4 alias? Will this work? I have not checked this, sir, because what we suggest is we suggest you to create 2-3 different email IDs, because every particular tool has their own terms and conditions. So if you create 2-3 separate email IDs, it is for sure that you will be able to access more limit as compared to if you create it with 3-4 alias, right? So it is suggested you create 3-4 separate IDs. Nirav sir. Ashit Kumar sir, Gmail not allowing multiple IDs. For multiple ID, multiple phone number is required. Ashit sir, from a single phone number, you can, I think, create up to 5 or 6 Gmail IDs. If you have already created it in the past, then perhaps you would have to have, let's say, some family member's phone number that you have to link. But Gmail does allow multiple ID from a single phone number. If for group presentation out of 4 member, 1 or 2 not able to present due to some medical emergency, how the team will present the same? Archana madam, the branches have been told that whenever the group members are missing, or maybe there are some 2 or 1 member in a particular group, branch will add you to a new group wherein there are 4 members. So particularly branch will transfer a member, or let's say a group is having 3 member and a group is there with 2 members only. So one member will be asked to shift here and another member will be added to some another group. So branches have been asked to do the reshuffling on the day itself. So branches will do the reshuffling and let you in. I am using a corporate laptop. Is there any common tool I should download to avoid any IT related issues? As such, there is no downloading available. Whatever we are discussing is web based only, sir. You have to only ensure, as I mentioned in the session, that your firewall is not, disallowing you to access an external website, and plus it is allowing you to connect external Wi-Fi's as well, right? If not, then it is always recommended to get your personal laptops. Uday sir is saying, is it beneficial to learn Python before the course? If so, please suggest some good organization. No, sir, Uday sir, nothing. Just come raw with a little tech enthusiasm, nothing to learn, no prerequisite required. Just come, because the level 1 course, we have designed it in a manner considering that there is no prerequisite for the members. Of course, when you plan for level 2, then perhaps you can have some knowledge of the Python, not required for level 1. Sir, PPT on the WhatsApp group, not required. Vijay sir, whatever I have discussed, I already mentioned, is already written there in the AI committee. In the document is already available in the AI committee website, and in the WhatsApp group also, in the description section. Please check all these manual link. Everything will be there in the description section, right? No need to send it extra, because the committee has already planned everything well in advance. So just check the description section. You will get the document there itself. John sir, thank you so much. Ramanujam sir, thank you so much. Tushar sir is saying, how is charging support to laptops of participants? Sir, you will be given a charging, maybe a plug point or something from the branch. They provide for the extension code or a charging port, whatever as and whatever is convenient for them, they will be providing you with the same. Radhan sir is asking, is there charging port? I answered this question. Bella sir, thank you so much. Thank you. You have suggested to use complimentary service of Jio Airtel for the pro version, but you have suggested to use new URL and not exist. If I use new ID, I will lose complimentary login since it is created for this session only. No, I think if you have already activated your subscription in any of the existing ID, then perhaps you can use on that only. Because see, why we suggest to activate it in a new ID, because some of the members have concerns of privacy, right? They have this concern that accidentally we may share some data which we do not want to share with this company. So therefore, we suggest that activate it in a new ID, so that there is no issues of data privacy. But if you have already sent all the data and everything with these companies, then you will have no issues as such, right? Saurabh sir is saying, my course shows the registration closed on portal. I have registered through the branch link. Saurabh sir, if you have registered through the branch link, I'm not sure your consent is whether you, I don't know. Sir, can you elaborate on your concern, Saurabh sir? That would be of help, good help. Shubham sir is saying DLH portal is activated, but course is not activated. Shubham sir, please wait. Just check once again 4 to 5 days before the commencement of your respective courses. Once it is, if it is not activated by then you send a mail to ai@ICAI.in. Correct, sir? Ganpat sir, how is charging charging support, I have said. Amit sir, can you please share the recording? Sir, it will be shared in the respective WhatsApp group. Don't worry. David Das sir is saying, is it necessary to carry any laptop during the batch time? Yes, sir. I in the orientation session only I said you have to carry your own laptops, which is having Windows 11, i3 RAM, 8 GB RAM, and i3 processor requirement. If you are carrying a corporate laptop, make sure all the external connections are enabled and you get access to the external Wi-Fi as well. And do not get a Mac device. Correct? Please note, it is absolutely necessary to carry your own laptop at the branches when you come for this course. I request the organizers to send the intimation for webinar for. Okay. Amit sir, so I think this is a feedback for the committee. I hope the committee has taken note for the same. Amit sir, can it be possible to send the video for today's on WhatsApp group? Absolutely, sir. It will be shared on the WhatsApp group. Don't worry. Sandeep sir, thank you so much for the compliment, sir. Thank you. Pranjali ji, thanks for the orientation. It was informative. Looking forward to learn. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Means a lot. Good orientation created the right platform before the course. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Laddu Gopal ji, thank you. I mean, very privileged. Laddu Gopal ji themselves has attending the course. Thank you. Forum Sure, thank you so much. Deepak sir, thank you so much. Devendra sir, thank you so much for the good orientation. Thank you, sir. Krishna sir, thanks a lot. Thank you so much, Krishna sir. Shashank sir, thank you so much. Shashank sir. Monica ma'am, thank you so much. Chindan ji, thank you so much for the orientation. Thank you so much, sir. Komal ma'am, thank you so much. Neha ma'am, thank you so much. Uday sir, thanks to the host and ICAI for this. Thank you so much. Agarwal sir, thank you so much. Agarwal sir, Chandrak sir. I could not note down quickly. Please repeat the India free apps list mentioned earlier in the session. Okay. Chandrakant sir, I will just show that slide again. Yeah. So 3 tools are available for free. I'll just show that slide again. Number 1 is Gemini. This is free for 18 months from the day you activate. Geo, if you have Geo or if anyone of in your family uses Geo connection, you can activate it in your new email ID, which we had suggested for you to create. So number 1 is Gemini, Google Gemini. You can take a screenshot, sir. Chandrakant sir, you can kindly take a screenshot of this one. And second is Perplexity Pro and Chat GPT Go. All these 3 tools are giving you free access for India. Right? Okay. Rajan sir, thank you so much. Nisha ma'am, laptop charging, I have already answered this question. Ashok sir, thank you so much, sir. Vivek sir, why no Mac? Vivek sir, I already told you there are 2 reasons for the same. Number 1, a lot of the tools that we discussed do not work on Mac is number 1. Number 2, the procedure to perform tasks sometimes differ for the Windows PC and for a Mac OS, right? So therefore, we suggest you not to get a Mac and to get a Windows PC only, so that there is a uniformity maintained. I could not note down quickly. Please repeat the India free. Sir, I have showed you right now. Saurabh sir, thank you so much. Saurabh sir. Archana ma'am, thank you. Informative and encouraging seminar. Thank you, ma'am. Gaurav sir, thank you so much. Divyandru sir, thank you. Reverse sir, thank you. Ravi Shanti, thank you. Brijesh sir, thank you. Weber sir, thank you. Thank you. Tejas sir, thank you. Krishna sir is asking what will be the batch size. I have seen 70 participants. Will it not be a big batch to be managed by one faculty? Don't worry, sir. Krishna sir, you will enjoy with the batch. There will be nothing to worry about. You will enjoy whatever be the participant size. Don't worry about that. You will simply enjoy this session. Don't worry, sir. Manishri ma'am, thank you so much. Vijay sir, thank you so much. Yeah, I'll take some question. Yes, sir.
Can you share this your PPT to our mail IDs?
Sir, not to the mail IDs, because then it will be, I think, perhaps difficult. Perhaps if required, I will share it in the WhatsApp group, and it is already available in the website also, as I mentioned. So you can go in the AI committee website and download it right now. Right? But if required, I will ask the committee to kindly share it in the respective WhatsApp group also. No worries with that as well, sir. Or we can do one thing. If the committee, if Rishi sir is attending, sir, can we do one thing? Can we upload this PPT on the DLH portal?
Sir, we'll discuss about this and share this shortly. All the guidelines documents, whatever you're talking about, are already there.
Correct.
On the AI website. There,
correct. So
if the participants can go through the documents, they will resolve all their queries. Most of their queries will be resolved if they read the document uploaded on the AI website.
Do we have WhatsApp group?
Yeah, the
Yes,
WhatsApp group the WhatsApp group are there for all the batches which are done.
Okay. In our batch, there is any separate WhatsApp group?
Pardon, sir?
Our batch is having separate WhatsApp group?
Sir, every batch has a separate WhatsApp group, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
Prabhav,
Thank you.
Prabhav, can you tell us step by step where we can see this courses in DLS site?
Yeah, sir, I will just show you. Give me 1 minute, sir, because I had one more query. I'll just first quickly go through the remaining chat. Just few more remaining, and then I will show you. Just 2 more minutes.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Rajan sir, will you be available at Dombivli Training Center? Sir, I'm not sure with the schedule, but don't worry with this. If you have any questions, you can post it in your respective WhatsApp group also, or you can ask here also. I'll be resolving it here. Don't worry, sir. Mayank sir, thank you. Thank you, Keval sir. Thank you. Arey baap re, so many thank you messages. Thank you so much. Means a lot, everyone. Thank you. Very informative. Thank you. Hope there won't be any bandwidth issue considering the batch size. Sir, what happens? I will tell you honestly, since you are asking these questions. The committee, on behalf of committee only, I will answer this question. So suppose 50 batch members register on the batch, and but most of the members are aware of this fact, and even not, if not, then in the orientation also we say the same, that if you are not attending all the 3 days, uh, you will get a refund automatically. You do not need to send any email or anything. You will be granted an automatic refund. So during the course, the AI committee has observed that, a lot of members, after the registration, they do not come for the batches. So don't worry, there will be no issues as such. Bandwidth issue you will not face, but the DOS attack problem, which I mentioned, that a particular website, what it does is 50 devices are logging in from the same Wi-Fi. That particular website will block you. That happens in any case, sir. You have a single Wi-Fi and 50 devices logging in one point in time in that particular website. That website is going to block you. Then you might need to use your respective hotspot for that particular website or for that particular duration. I have Vodafone connection. How to activate the free subscription? And then you can perhaps ask your friends or maybe your family members, and you can activate it from in that ID. I could not join at 11 a.m. No worries, sir. You can watch the video. AI website is same as ai.ica.php. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Nisha, ma'am. After registration, email received from ICAI where PPT and WhatsApp group link is shared. Rishi sir, I think there are earlier also I had received few queries for the WhatsApp group. If you can guide the members from where they can join the WhatsApp group, it would be great, sir. Rishi sir. Nisha ma'am is saying will 8.1 work? Yes, sir. Chirag sir, it will work. Nisha ma'am is saying I did not receive email from ICAI for registration. Ma'am, you can mail at ai@ici.in. Okay. Receive. Members, if you have not received the email from ICAI for registration, I think there should be, it should not be the case because everything is automated. There is no manual intervention even for replying to the email. Everything has been automated. So in that case, if you have not received any email, don't worry, ma'am, sir. Please send an email to ai@ici.in. Rishi, sir, if you could please share how to join the WhatsApp group, if you can cover this because the members are asking this question. Um, I think Rishi, sir, I'll just call him once and inform him. In the meanwhile, I'll just take one quick query of, logging into the DLH portal. So I have two links. I will share those two links here. I will share these two links here in the chat again. So I have shared both the links here. So suppose I can take any of the link and I can go log in into the SSP portal or the DLH portal. So I'm going to show you once again. No issues in that. So I'm just sharing that link. Yeah. So you can simply sign in. I just think I forgot my this. So you can sign it using your ID and password here. Perhaps I have in the SSP portal here. Yeah. So this is my SSP portal. I'll just show you from this as well. So when you log in, you will have your SSP portal here. So here you can click on this Digital Learning Hub, ICAI Digital Learning Hub. You will have an option at the top, ICAI Digital Learning Hub. Once you click it, you will be taken here to the Digital Learning Hub portal. You can click on this My Products. Don't worry, man, sir, you will be given a recording of the same. You can go back and refer the recording as well. So you can simply click on My Products and you will come down and you will see for me this course was batch number 13. So likewise you will see certificate course on chartered accountants, AICA batch number, my own was 13, whatever batch number yours is, it will be shown here, Guwahati, your place and physical. So you will see a launch button here which you can click and you can explore this portion. Correct. I hope sir, those who were asking about the TLS connections, I hope it is clear. Arun sir is raising the hand. Arun sir, if you can unmute and ask your query, please.
No, thank you, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are absolutely
Yeah,
audible.
actually, I had some issues regarding whether I can use Mac, but somebody has cleared that it's better to use Windows, not Mac.
Yeah, sir. I only clarified that it is better. Sir, if you use Mac, only in the 10% of the cases you may face some issue in the entire 3-day curriculum. That's it. Okay. But we recommend that if you get a Windows, you will feel aligned with the course curriculum.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Though I am used to Mac, but then I think I will get a Windows one.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. And you already clarified that age is not a problem. I'm 74.
No worries, sir. No worries. Rishi sir, if you can just, if you are there, if you could respond once.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What happened?
Rishi sir, a couple of members, in fact, more than a couple of members were asking about the WhatsApp registration process, how they can be added, how they can add themselves to the WhatsApp group.
Sir, the WhatsApp group, when you register, basically the WhatsApp group link is also shared. Also, we are sharing the WhatsApp group links with the branch team also. So if someone is left, they can also add it. What happens is that the members receive the group invite, the group invites, but they are limited. The invite is valid for a limited duration only. And if you do not accept the invite in that duration, the invite expires. That is what is happening because the members are sometimes busy. They are in some other professional commitments. They miss that invite joining link. So that is why many members are not able to join the link. No worries. If any member has not joined the WhatsApp group, they can contact us on ai@ici.in and we will surely help them.
Done. So Rishi sir has given a mantra. If you are not added to WhatsApp group, ai@ici.in, you can send a mail or you can just check once in the registered email which you have received. Over there is a WhatsApp link. Kindly check that once and so that you are added immediately if you have received the invite link. If not, then you can perhaps send a mail to ai@ici.in. Sir, course is not visible on the DLH portal. Don't worry, your DLH portal is working. Step number 1, very nice. Just wait for 4 to 5 days. Suppose, Mayank sir, when is your course starting, sir? 5th. Okay, so suppose Manish sir is saying on Mayank sir is saying on 13th of Feb, Manish sir saying 5th of Feb. So Manish sir, for you, if your course is starting on 5th of Feb, then perhaps you need to check again around 2nd of February. On 2nd of February also, if it is not activated, then please send a mail to ai@ici.in. So, okay, Mayank sir is saying that his course is starting on 13th of February. So Mayank sir, around 9th of February, you check once. If your DLH or the course is still not activated around 9th of February, please send a mail to ai@ici.in. Okay, 6th Feb, again, same concept, 6th Feb, please check around 2nd February. If not activated, then send a mail to ai@ici.in. So whatever is your group's that starting date, just 3 to 4 days prior to that, check if whether it is activated or not. If not, then you can send a mail to ai@ici.in. Okay. Chandra sir is saying that WhatsApp B612 group description does not have any content. Rishi sir, If you can take a note of the same, please.
Yeah, the same is, sir, under process. The team is working on it. It will be visible shortly.
Okay, sir. I think we have answered all the queries. I've checked the Q&A queries, everything. Thank you all for the support. Hope to see you soon. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Definitely we'll meet. Abhinandan, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, session. Thank you, everyone. I think that's it in the queries part. Don't have any queries. Over to you, Rishi, sir. We can conclude because we don't have any other queries.
Yeah, thank you so much, Prabhav, sir. And any query, any issue, please mail us at ai@ICAI.in. We will surely help you. Regarding the DLH part, please wait till at least 48 hours before the batch starts. If not, then please mail us, because sometimes the DLH team is also working on it. So if the batch is not visible in your DLH before 48 hours before the batch commences, you surely send us a mail at ai@ICAI.in. And rest, all the details are in the guidelines documents, and all the doubts have been cleared by Prabhav, sir. If still anything is left, please mail us at ai@ICAI.in. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining. And we hope that you have a great session in your AICA Level 1 batches. Thank you. Thank you so much. See you at the batches.
Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you.